Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. First, a disclaimer: the, I am making a analysis of the scripts which are traded in is NSE and BSE. So, while investing, you have to take your own decision. So, I cannot be held responsible if you lose money or make money in the stock market. With that disclosure, let's start discussion about today's script, which is Maruti. So Maruti Suzuki, as you know, it is the number one car manufacturer in India. So they have got about 42% of market share, which is very good. So if you compare the sales manufacturer chart, first comes Maruti and then Hyundai, followed by other car manufacturers. So let's see, the how Maruti has been performing over different time horizon. So let's see first the volume. So it's bit of up and down, which is quite expected because it's one of the highly traded stocks on the stock market. Let's see what is a MACD, and let's see the CCI. Let's highlight the MACD. Okay. So if you see here, the MACD is above the histogram line. Okay. Let's see the signal also. And if you see on 12th, there's a bit downward trend, okay, as which was also shown by the commodity channel index. So there is already a head, this is a head and shoulder formation. So the stock is expected to go downward, okay. Um, so the price might come down, but since there is a shortage of chips, the most of the car manufacturers are affected. So they have to cut down their production, because of which their sales will be down. Since their sales is down, but the expenditure or operational expenses remain same, their profit margin will be less. So in the quarterly results, you might see lesser dividend. So if we take the time horizon of on weekly basis, it's on the upward trend. If you see here on 23/8, there was a signal from CCI that it is going upward. So in terms of week wise, it's doing well, but the histogram, the if you see the signal, there's a signal that it might come down on a weekly basis. But the CCI is telling the price will increase. Okay, let's go back still back in the time. Let's put it for 3 weeks. 3 weeks again, it's a very clear signal that the stock is in the upward trend. See, all this, this is called W bottom. So this is where the bottom happened, and from there you see that the stock market, the price of this script started increasing. So if you see on month basis, again it's a upward trend, but from 1st September it is towards the flattening. If you see a 6 month trend, okay, there also it's a bit flattish on in terms of volume, but in terms of the price, MACD, right? See, blue is our MACD, and signal is this red, and histogram, let's see what is it. Okay, it's same. So there is a downward trend which is also evident from the volume and which is also evident from the commodity channel index. So if you take a 6-month horizon, the stock is declining. The various reasons can be like the chip shortage, because of which the sales are impacted. The most of the manufacturers are trying to utilize the available chips to manufacture a high, the price which is high, like Ertiga and others. So naturally, the volume segment, which is the low priced cars, their sales and their manufacture will be affected. So that's one of the reasons what you can say. So considering all these trends, but still do remember that Maruti is a market leader. 2 out of 3, every car sold in India is a Maruti car. So they are going to do well because people like their car, they like their service. No need to hurry and sell it, but you can't expect much jump in the price. So let's see some other indicators. Um, it's almost flat. If you're on a 6-month horizon, on a daily horizon, it has come down. Okay, so this was about Maruti Suzuki India. It is traded on the NSE, National Stock Exchange, Kolkata, as well as on BSE. Okay, it is traded on the ticker symbol Maruti. So today's video is about that. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.